shit
Got him!
Wasn't the last of them!
I see him!
เอา What the fuck
Is John Conrad the greatest man I ever served with? Well, I don't know. There was this one time in Kabul when he dragged my bleeding carcass half a mile to an evac chopper. So maybe I'm biased. But the facts don't lie. The man's a fucking hero. Remember when the first storms hit Dubai? You're probably all safe and sound at home watching TV. Well, Conrad was leading the damn 33rd out of Afghanistan. Instead of coming home, he volunteered his entire battalion to help with the evac. But all you did was send a check. Rumor is Conrad was ordered to abandon the city. He defied that order, and the 33rd stood with him. Now, the official story's still hazy about what happened next. All we know for sure is that the storms got worse. Much worse. Last thing we heard out of Dubai was that Conrad was leading a caravan of survivors out of the city. That was 6 months ago. Then, 2 weeks ago, we picked up this transmission.
This is Colonel John Conrad, United States Army. Evacuation of Dubai ended in complete failure.
ให้เสียงภาษาไทยโดยสากกระเบือ
Too many.
Hey, Cap! Captain Walker!
ที่เราตาย
What is it, Lugo?
Got a situation, sir.
Mission critical?
No, sir.
Then take it up the chain, Sergeant.
Roger that.
มาอยู่นี่ได้จังใส
I hear you, Sergeant. What's your status?
Status is chafed, sir.
You say chafe, Sergeant?
Yes, sir. A local airborne insurgency has infiltrated the U.S. zone designated as my pants. Sir.
Shut up, jackass.
Gentlemen, welcome to Dubai.
Yep. It's still dead.
Yet to be seen, Sergeant.
You got a lock on that transmission?
Yes, sir. About 800 yards away.
And we're 800 yards away from seeing who's more full of shit. You or Intel.
Wow. If I wasn't a hardened killing machine, I might have hurt.
เสียงธงกับเสียงลมแม่งไม่สอดคล้องกันเลย
All right, remember, this place has been designated a no
ส
man's
วัส
land.
ดีครับ
Means we're not supposed to be here, so let's do this by the books, okay?
Roger,
ใครวะ อยู่ในเกมครับชื่อว่า Space of the Line นะครับเราไปยิงกันดีกว่าพูดพร่ำทำเพลง
Okay, grab some cover.
โอเค let's go วาร์ป
Wow.
ว้าว
What happens in Dubai stays in Dubai.
Come on, let's just find a way down.
You got it.
get it ไปพายุเลยใส่หรือเปล่าครับ
So this is what's left of the damn 33rd.
Command thinks otherwise.
ตี
We
แม่ง
wouldn't be
ตี
here.
แม่งตีแม่ง
Hey, got some rope over here.
Let's put it to use.
ไปลงก่อนน้อง
Whee!
That's enough, Lugo.
I'm just keeping it light, boss.
Yeah, I don't need light. Need you focused on the mission.
What mission? We're basically poking a dead dog with a stick.
We have our orders. Locate
อุ้ยยิง
survivors.
ได้ด้วยเว้ย
City immediately. Radio
Wait,
command from
wait,
outside
wait.
the storm wall. Send in
minute.
the cavalry. Go home.
Hey, did you guys hear that? I am hurt that you'd even ask.
Ain't nobody here, man.
Sounds like the transmission.
Huh. Could have sworn I heard somebody.
เสียงอะไรวะ
Come on, let's just get this over with.
ขออนุญาตไม่แปลนะครับ ผมไม่เก่งภาษาอังกฤษ
Hey!
เราเน้นคอมมัน
Anyone
เยอะ
out
ครับ
there? Doctor says what?
Leave it alone. No one's out there.
Then what the fuck are we doing here?
Lugo's got a point.
Oh, you're taking his side now?
When he's
ย
right,
ก
he's
ได้ด้วย
right.
เย็ดเค
Hey, command wants us to look around. We look around.
I don't know. Sounds like a waste of 3 stone-cold, ruggedly handsome Delta operators such as ourselves.
Think of it as a paid
ตัว
vacation.
นี้หายไปไหนเนี่ย
Well, for future reference, I prefer my beaches with a 3-to-1 sexy lady dead body ratio.
Lugo, do you ever actually hear the shit coming out of your mouth?
No, I do not, sir. I find it messes with my rhythm.
Colonel John Conrad.
แตกไปดีแตกหนึ่งแตกหนึ่ง
Attempted evacuation of Dubai ended in complete failure. Convoy stalled.
เป็นจอห์นวิกครับจะเป็นจอห์นวิก
You know, it does feel like we're being watched.
Good. Someone should see how sexy I look on the job.
This looks like the place.
We are walking back.
Yep, this is what we're looking for. Whatever it
This
is.
is Colonel John
What's that
Conrad.
supposed to mean?
It's a distress beacon, but it ain't military. Someone built this out of spare parts.
Any idea who?
No, not a fucking clue.
God damn it. Walker, you better come see this.
Oh,
โอ้
fuck.
my god
That's putting it lightly.
เพื่อนเรานี่หว่า
Body looks fresh.
แมงวันตอม
It is. Even worse, he's 33rd.
ปาก
Who
ดำ
did this?
Probably the same people been ghosting us.
It doesn't answer the question.
Don't worry. I think we're about to find out.
ดี
My name is Captain Martin Walker. We're looking for survivors.
ขอให้พวกนาย
So you can
kill
us too?
จงปาก
Take him out! Everyone move!
Who the fuck are these guys? They're refugees, survivors of the storm. That's good, right? We should radio command. Give them the news. Be my guest.
มันเหลือเกิน
We're in position, waiting for your command. Walker, we don't got all fucking day. Let's get out of here already. Hey, Walker, give us the goddamn word already.
Empty that bus!
On it. Got it. Moving to clear. Got one. It's clear.
คือ
Come
จอม
on.
วิ่งกันเนี่ยจนหมด
Keep moving. Out the back.
กดปุ่มผิด
Grenade. Take cover.
Where's he hiding?
Billboard across the way. Give me the word and I'll take him out.
Lugo, take him out.
Yes, sir.
แตกหนึ่ง
En route.
On top of that bus!
Got
Take
eyes
him
on the
down!
target.
Hostile down!
We're getting too heavy. Gotta reload.
Concentrate fire!
ร้อย
No
ตาย
shot coming out of that cargo container. Hit the spell.
อยู่ที่สุดไปแล้ว
Head for that cargo box!
Walker, the door.
เหยียบเหยียบ
Thought we were rescuing people.
เอา
The hell was that?
I'm picking up
ดู
a distress
ต้องรีบ
call.
ไปดู
Patch it through.
เร็วเร็ว
33rd Dispatch, this
he's
is Alpha
coming to
Patrol.
see you.
We're under attack. Repeat, the insurgents have us surrounded. Request immediate assistance. Shit! Markson's down! We need backup!
ปืนในเที่ยว
Lugo,
ปืน
distance.
ไม่ใน
About 100 yards away.
Let's move.
Heads up, contact. Fuck! Watch your fucking fire, Walker. Get down, get down. We need to take out that 50 cal.
Clear that turret!
Pin down. Flank that turret and take it out.
down! Focus on my
He's
target!
shielded. We can't hit him. You gotta
Focus
flank
fire
him.
on that HMG!
Sure thing. Take him down. Reloading. He's down.
เยี่ยม
On the shack.
เยี่ยม
12 o'clock.
He's done!
สุดน้อยจังวะ
This way.
Mayday! Mayday! This is Alpha
Mayday,
Patrol.
Mayday.
Requesting immediate assistance. Is anyone out there?
เหลือเพื่อนฝูง
Alpha, if you can hear me, we're approaching your position.
Oh, fuck. Thank fucking Christ. I think Markson's dead.
Are you hurt? Is anyone else with you?
There's 4 of us. We're okay, but we're running out of ammo. Can't keep them back for much longer.
Okay, stay cool. We're almost there.
What do we got?
Our guys are pinned down in the fuselage.
We ain't been spotted yet. Might want to equip silencers.
Good call.
Take him out before they see us.
ใส่กระสุนด้วย
Target down.
Target eliminated.
Watch it! Shotgun headed our way!
Reloading!
I told you! On the wing!
Snipe that hostile.
Watch and learn, baby! The target! Can't move! Zone's too hot! Look out!
go let's go
Enemy on the move!
Long range target. Put him
Alright,
down.
I got him! Okay, the target is down. Watch your
เอา
goddamn
ไม่ใช่เพื่อน
head!
เราเอา
Concentrate fire.
Sure thing! Taking him down! Okay, the target is down. Gotta move the target! Oh shit, we got more coming from the rear of the plane!
Threat eliminated.
fuck you what the fuck man
Give me some cover! I'm on the move! Neutralized! Look! Hey, over here! En route! Tango, closing in! In the doorway!
Keep your head on a swivel. Enemy anywhere. Threat eliminated. Take him down. Focus on my target.
Alright, I got him!
Tango down.
Heading out!
On our way.
Adios!
อย่าโหดไปไหนแตกสองแตกสาม
Tango down.
เฮ้ยไม่อย่าWhat the fuck คุณล็อกคนเดียว
You're gonna have to talk fast, boss. He's fading.
We're here to help. Just stay with me, all right?
Forgive me. They took McPherson. You gotta find him.
อย่า
We
ต่อยนะเพื่อน
will, but I need you to tell me where they took him.
They took him to the nest.
Nest. All right, good. And what about Conrad? Is he still alive? God damn it. Lugo, mark the bodies on tack. Adams, check outside for tracks. I want to know what the hell is going on in this city.
Got multiple tracks headed north.
Then we follow him.
ลงมาตอนไหนวะลงเวยังวะ
Not to argue, but this ain't exactly within our mission parameters.
Yeah, well, our mission went from recon to rescue the minute we found U.S. soldiers butchered.
Bucking orders. I like it.
Orders ain't worth following if it means leaving people to die, Lugo. Conrad's still alive. I think he is. I know he'd agree with me.
Tracks end here. Guess this is the nest.
Yeah, it's quaint. Very post-apocalyptic.
Just don't get cocky. Remember, these guys already took out 4 soldiers and kidnapped another.
Thằngนี้ดีกว่า
Careful, they got a lookout.
Below, on the walkway. Put him down.
Yep. Mèo.
You know we're here now.
สเตียวไอ้สัตว์ไม่สเตียวอ่ะเหมือนได้วะซีก็ได้วะ
Grenades. Lots of them. Looks like someone's stocking up for winter. We should grab what we can carry. No point wasting them.
Get into cover.
เหมือนมันสนุกเนาะสงครามเนี่ยเปิดเพลงอะไรล่ะเปิดเพลงอะไรปรำเสือ
Turret's gonna rip us in half. We got
อ๋อ
grenades. Let's shoot them. Keep an eye out. I'm reloading.
กดผิดครับเมื่อกี้เอาใหม่ครับกดผิดไปนิดนึงครับลมบัตตาครับลมบัตตา
Not to argue, but
Just don't get cocky. Remember, these guys already took out 4 soldiers and kidnapped another.
careful, they got a lookout.
Below, on the walkway. Put him down.
You know we're here now. Grenades. Lots of them. Looks like someone's stocking up for winter. We should grab what we can carry. No point wasting them.
Get into cover.
ก็ระเบิดยังไงวะ
Watch it! That turret's gonna rip us in half! We got grenades. Let's shoot them. Keep an eye out! I'm reloading!
Inside, go, go, go. Right, eliminated.
Hey! You guys hear music?
Who cares? Shut up and keep
ปิด
fighting.
เพลงเลยไหมแสบจะมันไปไหน
Hit it out!
ใครวะ จะมันกันเนี่ย
It's just in. An unwarranted assault on the 33rd today means, you guessed it, an end to the ceasefire. All insurgents wishing to surrender, please report to your nearest outpost for processing. We now
เอา
return
ละครับ
to our
สำหรับ
regular
พาร์ทนี้เราขอจบไปเพียงเท่านี้ก่อนนะครับ
Here we go.
ติดตามต่อ
Let me
ใน
go on
พาร์ทหน้า
record
นะ
and
ครับ
say this shit just got weird.
อย่าลืมกดไลค์กด subscribe ด้วยนะครับ ขอบคุณครับ
This ain't a song for the broken hearted. No silent prayer for faith.